Hi there, this is Christian from LangChain. Here's the scenario. We want a customer support agent that handles routine questions. But if the user keeps going back and forth with it, maybe asking the same thing in 3 different ways, that's usually a sign that something is not working. Either the agent isn't resolving the issue, or the user is drifting into a too long unproductive conversation that honestly the bot was never meant to handle in the first place. In both cases, we want the agent to stop trying to be clever and instead escalate. Not by giving another answer, but by failing gracefully and handing the user off to a real human via email or phone support. This is the perfect job for the Model Call Limit Middleware. Instead of building complex conditional logic or tracking the state across multiple messages, we just want to set how many model calls the agent is allowed to make. And once the conversation crosses that threshold, boom! The middleware triggers, the agent exits, and the user gets the right escalation path. Let's see how this is implemented. Now in our LangChainJS repository, you can find all the pre-built middlewares for you to check out. And in the Model Call Limit Middleware, you can find that we define all our configuration for the middleware as part of a context schema. And in the state schema, we define and track the thread model count as well as the one model count. The thread model count basically allows us to limit the amount of model calls for the whole conversation. If you think about ChatGPT, on the left side in the sidebar, you can find all the conversations that you ever had with a ChatGPT model. So the thread model counts basically accounts for that. Whenever you go over a certain amount for that whole conversation, the middleware kicks in. On the contrary, the one model count helps you to limit the amount of model calls done within a single invocation, which essentially allows you to limit the amount of tool calls the model is allowed to do when prompting the agent. Now the implementation is fairly simple. We use the after model and after agent hook to track and increase our counts. So in the after model hook, we bump the one model call count and the thread model call count by 1. And in the after agent hook, we reset the one model call count back to 0. And then in the before model hook, we essentially just check if our thread limits or run limits are hit. And if that is the case, we either throw an error or exit the agent if the exit behavior is defined with end. Now in the model call limit agent scenario of our LangChat example application, we're working with a customer support agent that helps us to answer a certain question about our customer account, as well as escalates to a real customer support person whenever a certain model call count is being hit. Let's look at the implementation. Again, we define a post endpoint, a Next.js post endpoint that parses our request payload and passes on all the information to our model call limit agent. That model call limit agent has a set of customers, orders, shipping information, and products defined, and also implements a set of tools that allows us to interact with that data. At the end, we put everything together, the model that we define, the tools that are available for the agent, and we define the middleware that is configured with a specific thread limit and run limit, which in this case is a hard-coded number, which is going to be 8. And so I am allowed to make 8 model calls before it hits a certain limit. And then I have an exit behavior defined. You can either throw an error, which is the default behavior here, or end the conversation with an AI message. So if we try this out, we're going to start with the example prompt saying, "Hi, I'm Alice at example.com. Can you check the shipping status for all my orders to see what electronic products are available?" Now we can see the model answering, and you can see here the model calls and tool calls increasing. And we get a response from the model and are now at 6 model calls. So we can continue asking the agent, what have been my orders last year? And it pulls out that information. I can ask, how much money did I spend? And it gives me that information as well. But now imagine the customer derails and starts a non-productive conversation and maybe abuses our agent to ask things like, what is the meaning of life? You can see that we are already at 8 model calls. So our next interaction with the agent will fall into an error message. And this error message can be configured, and we can say, it seems like we are having a hard time answering your question. Please contact the support team at 415 and so on, and write them an email at support@company.com. So this is a really easy way to kind of like escalate the user when the conversation takes too long, is not productive, and should be escalated to a real human. The Model Call Limit Middleware gives you a clean escape hatch. If the conversation drags on for too long, or the user keeps cycling around the same problem over and over again, the agent stops guessing and escalates responsibly. No overthinking, no messy logic, just a reliable guardrail baked into the agent runtime. This is one of those middlewares that feel almost too small to matter until you see how much stability it can add to a real-world agent application. If you want to try this exact demo yourself, I put the full example in the LangChat repository. Just head over to github.com/christianbromann/langchat, clone it, and run it yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Check out the other middleware tutorials and start composing them all together to give your agents the superpower it needs. See you at the next one.